North Island College approached me with the opportunity to teach a hands-on brewing course. So together we developed the craft brewing program here, which runs for 6 to 8 months and allows students to learn all about the different beer styles, the processes, the chemistry involved, as well as get to play with the big toys here at the brewery. From milling the grain, to mashing in the mash tun, to adding hops into the kettle, cooling, moving to the fermenter and pitching yeast. They learn every aspect of the brewing process from grain all the way through to glass.
The brewing program at North Island College has been absolutely fantastic. We've learned everything from milling the grains to actually brewing the beer, and it's all been hands-on experience. If you love science, we used the hemocytometer to do a yeast cell count.
With so many craft breweries, now over 200 in the province, that's resulted in over $300 million worth of revenue just in 2019 alone. And it's an industry that's still growing. So there's plenty of job opportunities in terms of brewers, head brewers, assistants, packaging technicians, bartenders, and cellar persons as well. All of these jobs are needed. In fact, some of the students in this program haven't even graduated yet and have already got, 3 or 4 of them have already got jobs in the local industry.
In between those two,
this course is geared up to allow students who want to take more qualifications to be able to, so that they're then prepared to take things like the Certified Beer Server Cicerone course, they're serving it right, the Beer Judge Certification Program, and also the Institute of Brewing and Distilling Foundation in Brewing and Packaging, which is a worldwide recognized qualification and takes you on the first step towards becoming a brewmaster.